What's up, everybody? I'm back. Well, sort of. It's been a long time, and I got an email that said that if I don't do something in the next 30 days, that I'm going to lose my status with YouTube in terms of, um, being a partner with Google, and so that I can actually get, paid for ads, which has never really been a lot, but still something in me was just like, all right, if I'm going to get back at doing this thing, let me at least get something out. I still don't know yet if this is something I want to do. Part of it, I mean, a big part of it, has to do with what happened all last year and I guess a little bit of the year before. How long has it been? Jesus. I mean, obviously things did not, turn out the way I had wanted them to with Drip Network and the Animal Farm. I've definitely felt, pretty bad. I felt like I kind of led, lambs to the slaughter, so to speak. But, the one thing I can say is that, I mean, I got slaughtered as well. Once I had actually maxed out my first Drip wallet, Drip was at like 5 cents. I still have all my Drip. Um, I'm hoping for a miracle, maybe. I have no idea what's been going on with Drip Network. I haven't watched anything. You know, I haven't even been in touch with the fellas. If you guys are watching, I miss y'all. Maybe I'll check in and see what the status is. I mean, I still look at the Drip price, but I have no idea what's going on. I hit up Scotty on social media. Just I comment on sometimes on some of his posts. I haven't talked with Lee in a while. I think well we messaged maybe during the holidays. Yeah, I think I messaged him during the holidays. Drip coach, it's been a minute, my man. I haven't talked to you in a while. Emmett reached out to me, on Telegram, so we texted a little bit actually recently. But I've just been so far out of the loop. I think I'm pretty much retired from DeFi. I don't, I made money in DeFi, but I also lost money, and I lost more than I made. I have been this last year. I've been focusing a lot on futures, on trading the futures market and doing day trading, and I'm thinking of making some content around that. I think more so about documenting what I'm doing, not as much about trying to teach because I've never really been an expert. I think where I've done the best is probably swing trading stocks and crypto. But even there, like I did well when we were in the bull market. And look, I mean, it's looking like we're getting ready to enter back into that. I mean, Bitcoin today just broke 50,000. I don't know when I'm going to get this video out. I don't even know if this microphone is working correctly. So, we'll see. So, I'm thinking of doing more like just kind of sharing the stuff that I'm doing, which I'd done before. But again, I was trying to speak from a place of bringing, any knowledge that I had, but trying to, I don't want to come off like as if I'm, a position of some type of expert in any of this. I mean, I think I did my best to try and qualify in the past that I was not an expert and that I was just sharing what I'm doing. But, like I think we have to, when you get on YouTube and you start making content and you're giving your opinion, you can just because I have the camera on and this microphone, it just I know it can sometimes come off as though I'm speaking like I know what the fuck I'm talking about, and I don't. I mean, I know I've admitted that in the past, but like I really like I want to make sure that's clear because I've felt bad about what happened. So I've definitely been doing more investing, right? So I've been doing a lot of dollar cost averaging with Bitcoin. I'm in some altcoins as well, not a lot. Ethereum, Polkadot, Matic, I like a lot, and I do think that the next probably 2 years we could be really entering back into some type of crypto run. I don't know what's going to happen in the stock market. I will say this that I lost money last year in the stock market because I was anticipating that we were going to be hitting we were going to have a crash of some sorts, and the thing just ripped. right? So, I was putting money in a lot of, leveraged short positions, and I mean, I just got smoked. So I've been building positions again, in just like buy and hold, forever equities and ETFs. And I definitely want to talk about that kind of stuff and just kind of share what I'm doing there. And talk about crypto market. So I again, I don't know if I'm going to come back or not. I know that if I do cover futures market, like that's competitive. I'm not an expert, and you don't get a ton of views unless you really grind out, which maybe I'll end up doing. I mean, I really don't know, guys. I think that I know I will lose a lot of my base subscribers. You that are watching this right now, you probably all are subscribed to my channel. That's the only way. This is you probably got a notification, or you saw that I had a video and it's been a while and you wanted to check it out. I know a lot of you are sticking with DeFi. So, again, I realize I'm going to be losing like the majority of the people that have subscribed to my channel. So, and I don't know if I want to do that or not, but I figured let me just get a video out there. Let me just kind of see, if the mic even works. I was worried that my camera didn't work anymore because I was having trouble with that before. But anyway, still figuring it out, guys. I miss y'all. I do miss, I mean, I had a lot of fun when we were documenting Drip, and, like we were just gung ho. I mean, that was fun. Like we had a community. We were all thick as thieves, and supporting one another. And I mean, I really do miss that. And look, I mean, I did say that I will go down on a sinking ship, and boy, did I ever. I mean, right to the bottom. I made zero money on Drip. I lost, probably 10 grand because I haven't sold really hardly any at all. I still have all of it. I haven't even looked at my, uh, I haven't even looked at my wallets in forever. I know it's all on there. Well, I mean, I think I should probably do that. But yeah, went down blaze of glory. And I definitely took some of you with me, which again, that's hard for me. That doesn't sit well with me. We will see what I decide to do. Let me just see if I can even edit this thing, get it back up and try and just make a video out of this. Love to hear from some of you. I miss a lot of you. Please, comment down below, and tell me how you've been and what you've been up to and what are some of the things that you guys are doing. I know a lot of you are going to be probably tempted to reach out to me and tell me, yo, you need to check out this DeFi thing. You got to try this. You got to try that. Guys, I can tell you right now, I'm pretty certain I'm not going to be messing with DeFi. Now, I say that now, who knows what's going to happen once if I start doing YouTube stuff and I start getting back out there, who knows, I may completely decide to dive back in, but I really want to, if I think about the amount of money I put into DeFi, which I could have been putting in just Bitcoin and low cost index funds, and my my portfolio would be a lot more robust. But I have no regrets because I certainly learned a lot, and I learned how to do YouTube, which I never thought I'd be able to do. And I went through some stuff, and you guys were with me for a difficult year that I actually got support, emotional support from you guys. So I have zero regrets other than, some of the people that probably, aped in, joined my drip team, or bought more drip as a result of watching some of my videos. It's the only, I mean, I hate the word regret. I just don't believe in it, but I'll just say, like, I feel bad that happened. So anyway, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know if you want to see more content from me. Let me know what you guys are into and what you're doing and what you've been up to and how life's treating you. And anyway, we'll see what happens. I hope 2024 is amazing for all of you. And maybe I will catch you on the next one.